How to activate Zempler card. Go to the Zempler Bank website or open the mobile app. Log in with your username and password. Find the section related to cards in your account dashboard. Select the option to activate your card. Enter the card number and other requested details. Check that your personal details are correct before continuing. Confirm the information to proceed with activation. Wait for a confirmation message on the screen. If asked, verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, your card will become active. If needed, set your card PIN through the app or website. You may also receive your PIN by SMS or post depending on your preference. Make a small purchase or ATM balance check to confirm activation. Keep your card safe and ready for use in online or in-store payments. Thank you for watching.